Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the world of professional photography with Nikon's latest flagship, mirrorless powerhouse, the Nikon Z9 Mark II. This camera is a true beast, pushing the limits of speed, image quality, and versatility. Whether you're a wildlife photographer, sports shooter, or a cinematic filmmaker, the Z9 Mark II promises to deliver performance like never before. In this video, we'll break down its features, performance, upgrades over the previous model, and why it's creating so much buzz in the photography world. So stay tuned. Let's start with the design and build. The Z9 Mark II carries the iconic Nikon Z series design with a robust magnesium alloy body, making it both durable and weather-sealed for extreme conditions. And like its predecessor, Nikon has optimized the ergonomics even further. The grip feels more natural in your hands, and the buttons are thoughtfully placed for faster access during fast-paced shoots. The camera also features dual card slots supporting Express Type B, ensuring photographers can shoot at the highest speeds without worrying about storage bottlenecks. At the heart of the Z9 Mark II is a newly developed full-frame stacked CMOS sensor, offering incredible dynamic range and color depth. With a resolution of 45.7 megapixels, it captures every detail with stunning clarity. Nikon's new EXPEED 8 processor powers this sensor, enabling high-speed continuous shooting, advanced noise reduction, and real-time subject tracking. Low light performance has been significantly improved, allowing you to shoot clean images even at ISO levels where most cameras struggle. Portraits, landscapes, or action shots, this camera delivers unmatched image quality. One of the most talked about upgrades is the autofocus system. The Z9 Mark II features a 493-point face detection AF system covering nearly the entire frame. It's equipped with AI-powered subject detection, including people, animals, and birds, ensuring pinpoint accuracy even in chaotic scenes. The continuous shooting speed is jaw-dropping, up to 30 frames per second in RAW, completely silent and blackout-free. Sports and wildlife photographers will appreciate this speed, as it makes capturing decisive moments effortless. The camera also boasts impressive 8K video recording capabilities, making it a dual powerhouse for both photography and videography. Speaking of video, the Nikon Z9 Mark II steps up in every way. It can shoot 8K at 60 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, giving filmmakers immense creative flexibility. There's also support for 10-bit unlog and HLG, making color grading in post-production much easier. Coupled with Nikon's advanced stabilization system, your handheld shots are incredibly smooth. For hybrid shooters who want professional-grade video and stills in one body, the Z9 Mark II is almost impossible to beat in 2025. So, what's new compared to the original Z9? Nikon has enhanced the processing speed, autofocus tracking, and added improved heat management for longer video shoots. The LCD touchscreen is now brighter and more responsive, and the EVF has been upgraded for even smoother live view performance. Battery life has been slightly improved, and connectivity options include faster USB-C and wireless transfers, making workflow more efficient. In short, the Mark II is not just an incremental update, it's a major refinement aimed at professionals who demand the best. Now you might wonder, is it worth the investment? If you're serious about professional photography or filmmaking, the answer is a definite yes. The Nikon Z9 Mark II is built to perform in extreme conditions, handle high-speed action, and deliver top-notch image and video quality. It's not just a camera, it's a complete tool for creative professionals who want to push their craft to the next level. Sure, it's expensive, but the performance, durability, and versatility justify every penny. That's our deep dive into the Nikon Z9 Mark II. From its incredible autofocus to its 8K video capabilities, This camera proves why Nikon continues to lead in the professional mirrorless market. According to Nikon rumors, the Z9 II will not be released in 2025. Some sources suggest a launch could be in early 2026, possibly after a development announcement phase. The delay might actually allow Nikon to improve the camera more before its launch. Leaks and rumors suggest that the price could be higher than the current Z9. Some reports estimate a launch price around $5,999 United States dollars. For comparison, the current Z9 recently dropped in price. Some retailers are offering it for just under $5,000 United States dollars. Here are the main reasons why enthusiasts and pros are hyped about Z9 Mark II and why they think it could outperform many competing cameras. 1. Next generation processor and performance. Rumor has it that Z9 II will come with a new, more powerful image processor. This could lead to faster burst shooting, better noise reduction at high ISO, and just overall snappier performance. Longer battery life is also expected, thanks to better power efficiency. 2. Better build and ergonomics. The body might be made from lighter magnesium alloy, which helps with handling. Some sources mention improvements in grip and button layout for more comfortable, long-duration use. Improved video capabilities. The Z9 may support 8K video 24/30, 60 FPS and 4K at very high frame rates, 100/120, and possibly up to 200/140 fps in some modes. It may include 10-bit internal recording, which is a big deal for professional videographers. Enhanced subject detection using AI, better tracking for animals, people, vehicles, etc. 4. Dual card slots. Rumors point to dual Express Type B card slots, which is very good for high-speed shooting and video.